Google Sheets has a quick sum display feature that is really wonderful and saves you a lot of time. We have a spreadsheet with information in the spreadsheet, say this information on Germany sales, and we wanted to total these amounts of the sales from Germany. Instead of using the sum feature, with the quick sum display we can highlight the sales from Germany, and when you look in the bottom right corner, there is the sum. So this is the quick sum display. When you select or highlight the numbers, it will display the sum. If you click the arrow, you'll see it also shows you the sum, besides the sum, the average, the minimum, the maximum, and the count. So this feature, if you were to select just the country right here of Germany, it would do the count. But when you select the sales amounts, and all you've done is just select them, and you look over here, you can see the sum.